I don't just use this GoodCook turkey baster for turkeys. I actually use it for bleeding my brakes in my cars and my motorcycle. My honest opinion, it squeezes out the liquid very firmly. I like the durable plastic and rubber construction. It's actually easy to clean out and also to pull apart and put back together. Overall, this GoodCook baster makes it easier to do my brake fluid flush. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.